Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the topic of linking your bank account to Moka. The straightforward answer is, yes, you can and must link your bank account to Moka. Moka, which is an investing and savings app, requires this connection to function. It needs access to your bank account for two primary reasons. First, your linked bank account acts as the funding source for your investments. When you first set up your Moka account and investment goal, you establish this connection to allow for the automatic transfer of funds. Second, if you use Moka's signature roundup feature, the link to your bank account is essential. The app monitors your debit and credit card transactions to calculate the spare change, or roundups. For example, if you spend $4.50, the 50 cents is rounded up. The total rounded up amount for the week is then transferred from your linked bank account to your Moka investment account. Moka supports connections with a wide variety of major and smaller financial institutions. The process typically involves verifying your bank account securely through the Moka app during setup. In summary, linking your bank account is a necessary step to start saving and investing with Moka, whether you are making recurring deposits or using the popular roundup feature. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.